My clients often ask me, hey Sachin, how do I check my PERM or labor certification status? Where do I go? This is a question I happily answer a few times per week. So I know there's a lot of confusion that happens because beneficiaries tend to plug their ETA case number in random places on the web. They used to put it into iCert, now it's the flag portal, DOL stat. Anywhere they could, they'll just put the number in hoping they can get a status. Oftentimes, the only status they see is final review. That just causes more anxiety because how can it be final review for months on end? There may be a better way to do this, but here's how I do it. Hi, my name is Sachin Raval. I'm a partner at Ramchand and Raval where we practice immigration law. This is how I'm able to tell whether DOL is going to process your PERM anytime soon. I decided to share the steps here so that I can alleviate some of the anxiety that comes with the labor certification PERM process. Also, I think most people are reluctant to ask their attorney every time they wonder what's going on with their labor certification. So maybe this will save you a call and your attorney a call too. Step 1, find your priority date. If your PERM was submitted using DOL PLC's website, your attorney or employer should have received confirmation from DOL with a case number and the date the case was received. The following is a sample. In this email, you'll see the case number, the date the case was received, and text clearly stating that this is a confirmation email that the ETA Form 9089, Application for Permanent Employment Certification or Labor Certification for XYZ IT Consulting Corporation, sponsoring Peter Prabhakar for the full-time position of software developer, has been received and submitted for processing. As you can see, the date it was filed is December 24, 2020, and that is the priority date. When this date becomes current, your application will likely be adjudicated. If all goes well, the priority date on your I-140 is the date that the labor certification is submitted. So eventually, when you start looking at the visa bulletin to determine whether or not you're eligible to file your green card, you're going to look at that chart and you're going to look for your priority date to be current. This is that date. We're going backwards in time now. So the date that your PERM is submitted, that is your priority date. That will be the date that you look for on that visa bulletin. The next step here requires you to actually find out what dates are current at the Department of Labor. So how do we do that? Let's move to step 2. Open up a new browser window and go to flag.dol.gov. This is the Foreign Labor Application Gateway where Department of Labor posts its current processing times. From the top navigation bar, click on Processing Times. Scroll down past all of this information and look for PERM processing times. And there it is. This is the PERM processing time as of April 30th, 2021 chart. If your case hasn't been selected for audit or is being under reconsideration request to the certifying officer, look at the analyst review row in this chart. As of April 30th, 2021, they are reviewing cases that were submitted in October of 2020. Remember, in our example, Peter Prabhakar's labor certification was submitted in December of 2020, so Peter is 2 months away. Now remember, DOL doesn't go month for month. If in some months they received more cases, they slow down, or vice versa. Also, this chart isn't always updated, unfortunately. However, when it is, this is the best and most reliable way to project when DOL will process your case. And there it is. This is how I check if a PERM labor certification is close to being adjudicated. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.